and welcome to my channel. I'm back with another video. In this video I'm going to show how you can make a beautiful Pooja Thali at home for Diwali or any other festival. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing because I make videos related to DIYs and home decor. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, take two circular cardboard pieces of equal size. Then take one cardboard piece and cut it from center to make a cardboard ring. Then stick the circular ring over the cardboard using white glue. Then start sticking tissue paper over the cardboard using glue and water mixture. You can also use newspaper or texture paste. Once the whole cardboard is covered with tissue, let it dry. Then I am going to paint it using red acrylic color. While the paint is drying, we'll take two old bangles and join them together using white glue. Then take any lace or ribbon and tie its one end over the bangle. After tying, start wrapping the lace or ribbon over the bangle. Once you are done wrapping, cut the excess ribbon and tie it on the other end. Then here I have taken 3 foam flowers. Now I'll tie the 3 flowers together and then coil its wire. Now I am going to stick these flowers using white glue. Here I have taken a golden lace and I am going to stick it on the boundary of the cardboard. make it more attractive, I am using rhinestones. Then here I have taken a tea light candle and I am going to decorate it using rhinestones as well. Then we'll place the candle holder in the center of the thali and then place the tea light candle, and with this our beautiful Pooja Thali is ready. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do so, then please hit like button and subscribe my channel for more such DIYs. Thanks for watching.